Kelly Miro here with North Commerce, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the North Commerce Zapier integration. So you can go to Zapier.com, you could search for the North Commerce plugin, and you'll see it here. So in order to get started, let's activate the North Commerce add-on for Zapier. So I have my WordPress website here with North Commerce already installed. I'm going to go ahead and just hover over North Commerce and click on integrations. Then I'm going to toggle on the Zapier integration here. That looks good. It'll automatically generate an API key for you. So keep this safe and secure. You don't want anyone else having this information. And so I'm going to go ahead and just copy that right now, and then I'll have it saved to my clipboard. And then I want to connect North Commerce to 6,000 apps. So I can do this from here. I can go to the My Zaps area and then create a new Zap. So I'll just go ahead and create a new Zap from here. And I always like to give my Zaps a name right away. So we'll call this North Commerce. And let's test with, I don't know, a Google Sheet, just to make it simple. North Commerce to Google Sheet connection. And then I'm going to go and set up a trigger here for North Commerce. And I'll choose an event, and we'll just do new order. I'll hit continue. And then it's going to prompt me to connect to North Commerce. So let me sign in. So I'll click sign in. So I'll need my site URL, and I'll need that API key. So I have that API key copied to my clipboard still. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Control V or Command V on a Mac to paste it. Then I'm going to click on connect here. And then I'm going to copy my URL to my website. So in this case, I'm using InstaWP for my website. And I clicked back here and I noticed that my modal that Zapier appeared is missing. So let me just hover over my Chrome and I'll be able to see that there. And I'll paste that, that URL there. So I'm going to click yes, continue to North Commerce. And I'll wait for that to connect. It might take a second or two. Perfect. I see that here. And what I always like to do when I make a new connection in Zapier is just to give it a name. So I'm going to edit the connection name. I'm going to just do, in this case, let's just call it the name that was generated from InstaWP. Maybe this could be your business name or just the domain name. Let's do that. North Commerce, let's say. Just label it North Commerce so we know. It should have the icon next to it, but we'll just give it a name like that. Okay, so you'll notice inside of this site, I have no orders at all. I have no products and no customers. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue. When I click on test trigger, you'll notice it says no order found. Now we'll have some test data in this, but what I like to do is I like to create a test order. So this is a brand new store. I'm going to quickly connect Stripe and create a test order. Okay, so I created a test order and I'm going to go ahead and click on test trigger. And now what will happen is we'll get all of the information for that specific order. So this looks great. What's going to happen is we're going to get the order ID, the customer's first and last name, the email, the phone number, the subtotal, the order total, the total paid, the status, if it's unfulfilled or fulfilled, the payment status, the addresses, and the line item too. So this is just called Nike shoe. So I'll go ahead and confirm this, and then let's just we'll do a Google Sheet just to make this simple. I'm gonna go ahead and create a spreadsheet row. And like you could imagine, maybe you want to add orders to a Google Sheet for an analytics dashboard or for just an internal use for your team or something like that. I know tons of teams that are using Google Sheets for tracking orders. So I'll come in here to sheets.google.com. I'll click on sheet and I'll just do like first name, last name, product, total, email, phone, or something like that. Maybe I want to move these over or something. I want to get picky with it. And we'll call this North Commerce orders. So that looks good. So I'll come in here, I'll refresh the results. There's North Commerce orders, sheet 1. And then first name is going to be Kelly. Last name will be Miro. And then my email, I could just even type email here, customer email, phone, hit phone here, customer phone, product. So I can type in line items and I can get all the line items, or I can go to line items product name and then total. Type in total. And you have order total, total paid. I just want to know total paid just to confirm maybe they've paid partial payments or something. So I'm going to click on total paid and then hit continue. And then I'll go ahead and test the Zap there. And I'll see that appear here. And I can make this some, money or something. And all that looks good. So that is how you can get new order triggers with Zapier and North Commerce. Let me know if you have any questions, just comment below and I'd be happy to help. Thank you so much.